Ever wonder why some people go from one rental to a full portfolio in just few years while others stay stuck watching YouTube videos waiting for the perfect time? Let me be real with you. Wealth isn't built by waiting. It's built by learning the game and playing it strategically. My name is Shade Ellison. I am a multifamily real estate investor and I am the founder of Ellison Capital. I went from watching deals to submitting offers to closing them even when I didn't have all the money. Today, I'm sharing 5 real secrets that actually helped me build wealth through real estate, not just own property. And secret 5, that's the one that unlocked everything. So stick around, it's a game changer. Secret number 1, cash flow over appreciation. Greater cash flow over appreciation. Let's get this one out of the way. Appreciation is good until the market shifts. What actually builds wealth is the cash flow, that consistent monthly income that keeps your light on, whether you're working or not. Here is an example. Let's say you have a deal, you picked up a small multifamily in Calgary. Purchase price was around 950K with a VTB of 10% and 75% bank finance. You only raise about 200,000 in equity. Now here's the kicker. After expenses and reserves, it cash flowed 1,800 a month. That's not a win, that's freedom income. And when you own more doors, cash flow becomes scalable. You don't need 100 units overnight. You need one that performs. So cash flow equals control. Appreciation is the bonus. Let's face it. We can have all the market projections all we want, but we don't have a magic ball to know what's going to happen. So the appreciation should be like gravy, like bonus. But that cash flow is control. Secret number 2, leverage is your friend if you respect it. Debt isn't bad. Misused debt is bad. I use leverage like a scalpel, precisely, not emotionally. Let's say $1 million building appreciates 3% annually, that's $30,000. If I only put 200,000, 250,000 with a mortgage covering the rest, my return on invested capital is 12% from appreciation alone. And that's without even touching the cash flow or mortgage pay down. Now, let's stack on monthly income, tax write-offs, and mortgage principal paydown from tenants. You're building wealth on multiple fronts. But here's the warning label. Don't over leverage. Don't buy with negative cash flow hoping that it will go up. Don't skip due diligence because a lender says yes. Use leverage to scale, not to gamble. Use leverage to multiply, not to sink. Secret number 3, your net worth is your net worth. Real estate is not a solo game. I had to remind myself time and time again that it is not a solo game. You cannot do this alone. I thought I had to figure it all out by myself until I realized wealthy people don't do this alone. You need relationships, brokers who call you before the deal hits MLS, lenders who will go to bat for your financing, and JV partners who bring the capital on the table when you bring the opportunity. One of my earlier deals didn't come from a listing. It came from a brunch, from a meeting, a one-on-one, a coffee chat. I was talking real estate over eggs and hash browns, and someone said, I've got a property you might want to take a look at. Fast forward, it became something that was tangible, something that I could add to my portfolio. Your next deal could be one DM, one coffee, one honest conversation away. So show up, go to meetups, message that investor, start posting. Don't wait to be ready. Relationships don't care about your resume. In real estate, rooms are greater than resumes. Secret number 4, tax advantages are a superpower. This one right here, most people completely sleep on. Real estate is one of the only vehicles where you can build wealth, earn income, and pay legally less in taxes. Let's talk depreciation. The government lets you deduct a portion of the property's value every year, even while it's going up in price. That's paper losses offsetting real gains. Then there is refinancing. Imagine this. You buy a property, it appreciates, or you force the value up through forced appreciation via increasing the rents. You refinance and pull 100,000 out, tax free. That money you can reinvest without triggering capital gains tax. It's the real estate cheat code. Even on small multifamily deals, the write-offs are significant. Mortgage interest, property taxes, insurance, repairs, management fees all reduce your taxable income. Wealthy people play this game differently because they understand the tax code. You don't need to be an accountant. Just build your team and understand the basics. Keep more, reinvest more, grow faster. Secret number 5, buy based on your exit strategy. Now, this one changed the game for me. Before you buy anything, ask yourself this: how am I getting out of this deal? What is your exit strategy? Do you want to burr it, flip it, or hold it long term? Or JV it and exit in 5 years. Your strategy shapes what you buy, where you buy, and how you structure it. For example, a 12-unit building with below market rents might not cash flow much today. But if I know I can increase rents legally, reposition it, and refinance it in 24 months, that's a value add play. Or maybe I buy a turnkey property because I need stabilized cash flow to qualify for my next project. This is how pros operate. Every buy is made with the exit in mind. Otherwise, you're just collecting doors, hoping something works out. Wealthy investors underwrite the full journey, not just the entry point. Don't just buy real estate, buy a strategy. Now, let's get into the bonus tips and common mistake. Let's hit a few rapid extras and mistakes to avoid. Waiting for the market to crash before you get started. I have heard this so many times. Start small, start small, start small, start smart, but start. Managing everything yourself to save money. No, you want to build a team so you can buy time so you can always make more money. Buying cheap in bad areas thinking that it's a deal. No, you want to buy quality, buy future upside. Thinking one property will make you rich. It's not the first one. It's what you learn from it that builds the second, the third, and the 10th. Skipping mentorship. A mentor compresses time, period. You pay either way, through mistakes or guidance. Let's recap the 5 secrets to building wealth through real estate. 1, cash flow first. Appreciation is a bonus. 2, leverage wisely to scale, not sink. 3, build a powerful network. They're your shortcuts. 4, maximize tax advantages. That's how you keep more. 5, always buy with your exit in mind. This is how real estate builds wealth, not just for the already rich, for people like you, like me, who chose to play the long game with the right strategy. If this video gave you value, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below your biggest takeaway. And if you're ready to start building your portfolio or take your existing one to the next level, click the link in the description and let's talk strategy. Real estate isn't just about building, it's about freedom. Let's build yours. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to reach out. I am happy to have a one-on-one chat. I'll see you in the next one.